Trying to put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this week we are doing some really quick and easy but super cute gym hairstyles that you can use, or really anytime that you're just looking to get your hair out of your face. These are some really cute looks that you can try, and they don't take a lot of effort, because I know sometimes you don't necessarily want to go to the gym, but you always feel a little bit more encouraged whenever you look good. So this is a quick way to ensure that you're going to look really cute at the gym, but you're going to be able to work out hard, because the hair is not going to be an issue. It's going to be out of your face and out of the way. So if you want to learn how to create these cute hairstyles, just keep watching. Really quick, if you're not already following me on my social media accounts, I'm going to pop it up right here. You guys can go ahead and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and if you haven't subscribed yet here to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell as well, so you don't miss when I post on every Thursday. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so for this first hairstyle, you are going to part your hair into two halves. You're going to separate your top half and just go ahead and clip that off. Next, you are going to do a French braid upside down. It's easier for me to just kind of bend over and start braiding the bottom half of your head, and do this until you have about 3/4 of the way of your hair. Then take a brush and kind of brush up your front half of your hair that you've separated, and just twist and tie this off as the top bun. And here you have a really cute twist on a top bun with a braided back detail. For the second hairstyle, you're going to part your hair into two sections, a left and a right, and go ahead and just pick one section and go ahead and clip that off. Take a small elastic and do a tiny ponytail, and then you are going to go ahead and take that tiny ponytail and keep adding sections of your hair and tying those off. And you're going to continue doing this in about 1 to 2 inch increments until you complete the full length of your hair. Once you've completed one side, you're going to just go ahead and mirror what you did on one side to the other, and just continue doing that until you have completed the whole length of your hair. And this is a really cute alternative to the boxer braid hairstyles for those of you who might have a little bit of difficulty with braiding. And for this last and final hairstyle, you're going to part your hair at your crown and tie that off into a loose ponytail. And go ahead and split your hair into half and tuck it over and under through the rubber band. Now you are going to take another section of hair in between your crown and the tops of your ears, tie that off into a ponytail, and tuck it over and under like you did the first section. And go ahead and repeat that one last time with the third rubber band, tuck it over and under, and you have this really cute, loose, cute, and soft romantic hairstyle that could work really well for yoga or any light aerobic workout.
Trying to put him in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than the church shoes.
So guys, that was this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial on how to create this simple but really cute hairstyles for whenever you're ready to work out. So if you enjoyed these, please let me know down below in the comments which was your favorite, and if you have any go-to hairstyles that you like to wear whenever you go to the gym or do your workout, let me know. And if you're not part of the family here on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Push up your style, you take any lane. Push up your cup to feel any pain. Look what you've done.